Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is definitely for you if you're in need of cleaning motivation and inspiration to get things done. Today I've got a get it all done video, and this is over a few days. I just got done as much as I could. There's also some real life, some mum life. We did a load of laundry and then I took the kids shopping to Tesco. As you can see, my boys are messing around there on the escalators, but they did kindly bring the shopping in for me. They're good lads. Then I got Hope a few things, me this t-shirt. She is growing out of her clothes so quickly, just lately. She's having such a growth spurt. And then I'm just going to pop the shopping away and just get on with things, try and get as much done as I can in this video for you guys. She wanted to show you her hair as well and then pull some crazy faces.
Wow, beautiful. What are you doing?
And as always, I have forgot to empty and clean my fridge before I went to pick up my shopping. So there was some questionable furry things in the back of that fridge, I'm not going to lie. But it wasn't too dirty because it is a new fridge. I'm not even going to bother doing the shelves on the side of the fridge. I'm just going to clean the main area and it wasn't too bad. So then I'm just going to pack everything in. I'm not going to do anything special. It's not going to be in little pretty boxes or anything like that. Like I said in the last video, I am taking pressure off myself for everything to be perfect, neat and aesthetically pleasing. So this is me just getting on with things. That load of laundry had already been washed. I forgot about it. So I'm just sticking it on another wash because life just got in the way.
Smells gorgeous. It's already been washed. Please don't tell me off.
Leaking there.
Where? From the washer? Oh no, come out the way then.
I'm not doing what I usually do and take everything out the wrappers and wash it all and prep it all. I just want to get it put away today. Sorry, the washing machine is being... That's what Hope said. The washing machine is peeing everywhere, Mum. And what she meant is it was leaking all over the floor because I think I've broke the seal. Shoving some football boots in.
We might do a lemon cake as well.
Lemon.
That's a lot of washing.
So I've done about 3 loads of washing today and now I'm just going to try and hang it all out. It was super heavy and I nearly went flying on half of the gazebo. I'm trying to get the garden ready. Spring, summer, for all of that. There's just never enough time in the day. Good morning, humans. We have just dropped Rio off at college. Can you see Hope? Say hi. We just dropped Rio off at college. He's just doing some extra work, bless him. I wouldn't have gone at his age. I'd have been like, not in the 2 weeks off. But yeah, he's a good student. So we've just dropped him and then just going to pop home and try and sort the whole of the house out.
Yay!
That sounds fun to you, does it? Doesn't sound fun to me. But I can't remember the last time I vlogged. I think we had a food shop and all of that, and then I just had a couple of days where I've just been like, Mummy's been a bit sad, hasn't she?
Yes.
Been a bit sad and grumpy.
Mum, can I tell them what you said?
What did I say? I said I'm a bad mom. Yeah,
She wasn't even being one.
well, I feel like a bad mom.
Well, no,
I did have a little bit of a meltdown and said, I'm a bad mum, I can't do this and I can't do that. I think I put way too much pressure on myself. Why do you always have to jump in the front as soon as we stop? This day was one of those raw motherhood days where I'm just overwhelmed, tired, mentally exhausted, and I just felt really rubbish, but I did get quite a lot done, and once the momentum picked up, I felt great. I needed to change all the sheets in the bedroom. I was tired, but I just carried on. For some reason, I cannot sleep just lately. Not sure what is going on with me. I've got a sweat on already. But I've just been a little bit down in the dumps. And it does make you feel like a bad mom sometimes. I feel like I just really want to be better for my kids and do this and do that. And I wish I had the energy. Sometimes I just don't have the energy to get out of the house. It's just such a battle sometimes and I feel so guilty. So I'm trying to do everything I can. And like I said in my last video, I am not putting that sort of pressure on myself anymore.
When
Oh, they've got to come off, but I said no stickers on furniture. Do you want to put them on a piece of paper so you can keep them?
Right now you can't take them off.
Beautiful hair. Do you want to show everyone your top that you made? Oh yes, we know your hair. Woo!
Look at this little devil.
A devil? Why have you put a devil on there?
Oh
Sure, they do things like that just to wind you up sometimes. But I'm just going to change her sheets too and put all the giant teddies on here. They drive me soft, but she loves them. So they're there. And then this is me being real with you guys. All these were on my floor. So I'm just going to snap and show you guys that I folded them. But this is the reality. I had to sit there for ages folding them. But this felt so therapeutic to me, and I've got a pile there that is all dirty washing. I don't know how it got there. That hoodie is something that I was wearing. That is a cloth that can go and be washed, and these are some things I'm going to pop on Vinted or pop in the charity because she's outgrown them and they're not wrecked. We have an odd sock pile. Just on the way back to pick Rio up from college, and look at the lovely state of Mama. I've got halfway through the bedroom and I've folded loads of clothes, so I've got loads done. You've been playing, haven't you?
Yes.
The piles are a lot bigger. I'm not going to put them away yet because there's still laundry all over the house that I need to collect and find out if it's dirty or clean, fold it, just sort it out. There's stuff on the banister as well and downstairs. I've got a big bag here of rubbish and clothes that we're chucking out and just bits and bobs. Then I've got wet clothes in here, and then we've just got a massive big bag of laundry. So this is as far as I've got. I'm just going to hoover because, as you can see, the carpet desperately needs it. So yeah, and then I will put these away. We do still have boxes and bags here because we're still in the process of trying to move everything around, so you'll have to just excuse that. This is driving me insane, especially after I've made the bed, and please excuse that I need to paint over it. I just can't find the paint that we used to paint these walls. But anywho, all the clothes are folded and not on my bedroom floor, so it's a win. This is just all odd socks. I'm not even going to lie to you guys, it's really hard doing this voiceover with a house full. Hope is singing as I'm doing this. So you'll have to excuse the background noise if you hear it. But I'm just hoovering this floor now and getting it all done. As you can see, the carpet really needs re-stretching. It's not the best and it's very old, but there's just so many lumps and bumps. But it just felt good to get it clean and get all that kinetic sand up off it. This room has felt really cluttered. I don't know, I just felt horrible in it, so it's so nice to get it clean, get everything folded, no clothes on the floor, get all that sand up and little bits of dust off her kitchen and everything, fresh sheets. I just felt so good to have like a little bedroom refresh. And then I thought I would try this out as well. Wasn't too impressed with it, to be honest. It did make the room smell lovely, but it was also a bit overpowering, so yeah, I wasn't too impressed, if I'm honest. But if you wanted it for a quick fix, if you were having visitors or something, that was my son, my eldest, vacuuming, bless him. He said, I'll do the stairs, Mom. And then both of the boys, bless them, they brought this wardrobe in from Riley's room. This used to be his wardrobe when he was little, but it's been in there for a while with Hope's clothes just dumped in there. And like I say, we are so overcrowded and this just got really dusty, and I thought, right, let's just put it in this room ready to go into Hope's room when she goes into that room and Rio comes into here. If you guys have been following for a while, you're probably like, when are you actually going to do this? I don't know. There's just always time and money issues, isn't there? And I couldn't see the top shelf, so I used my camera to try and see up there because I'm so short. And there was a Batman toy up there from when Riley was little. How cute. Now I'm just going to give it a good clean and then start putting Hope's clothes in that actually fit her. Because like I say, she just had so many clothes that didn't fit her. So cluttered, and we always had to go into Riley's room to get her things as well. It's just not practical for a teenager. So now he's got his privacy back. Just need the middle drawer. Finally at the stage of putting things on hangers, and her uniform does need an iron, but I'm just going to put it away for now because I've done a lot today. But I already feel like a weight lifted off my chest because her clothes are just everywhere. This wardrobe was
just chock-a-block of clothes that don't fit her, Riley's old clothes. It's just all over the place. Nice to have some order. One of our house, yeah. And I will get to ironing these, but not right now. I was going to fold them all and put them in like that, but then I thought, no, it's not going to stay that way. So, and please excuse the state of me, I'm not sure what kind of bun that was. I just threw my hair up. This is one of those days where you just crack on and just get stuff done. And then I found this little vanity thing that I had ages ago, and I just put a few of her little bows in. And I thought that would just be really cute to have in a little wardrobe for her, because I don't use it. It's just been in a drawer. That is all her winter stuff. She's got her dressing up stuff and a few headbands and pieces up top, and then a few of her clothes. The rest are all being washed, obviously, because there was a lot that she'd just thrown everywhere. That means I have got a ton of washing, so I'm pretty sure there'll be a laundry day video soon. I have such a backload. This was really overwhelming, and the weather has changed in the UK as well. As you can see, Hope is just out there while I'm hanging all the washing out, and she was having an absolute blast on the trampoline. But this was all I got done for that one day, which was a lot actually. And then I thought I'd add this little bit in because we made we dyed our eggs, and it's not like an expensive activity. You just need food dye, and if you put in apple cider vinegar with the water and the food dye, it actually makes them come out brighter. And Tesco do these eggs, they're really cheap and they're white as well, so they take really well to the dye, and she loved doing this. And you can still obviously use the eggs, it just dyes the outside of them. I just thought that would be a really cute activity.
Ooh, purple egg.
Oh, careful, don't want to crack it. Don't get your fingers. Wow, should we use the...
Should we keep on doing it?
What's stirring around?
Wait, I want to show you something. Look, Mom.
And because we had little containers of food dye, I thought we'll just make the most of it and try and do a science experiment with them as well. So we put some kitchen towel over and to see if it all drained out and mixed the colours, which it did. Yeah, I just thought I would share that and give you guys some ideas if you wanted to do this for your kids. And this is how they turned out. They were so bright. For me, I would have liked to have done pastel colours, but she loves the bright colours. And because it is Easter when I will be posting this video, happy Easter to you guys. I hope you're all okay. I hope you're having a lovely day. I really wanted to post so much Easter content. We've got up to so much, but I just haven't got round to editing it. So anyway, I hope you guys are okay and you've had a good Easter. Enjoy your Sunday. Rest up if you need to and have fun with the kids. And yeah, I thought I would just show you guys a few of our little Easter decorations as well, because I just love them and they'll be down soon. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope I could help motivate or inspire you guys today, or just keep you company. I hope you guys are all okay and you're keeping well. Have a lovely Easter weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it will be better. I feel like this one was just plonked together because I've just been so stressed and overwhelmed just lately. But I hope that I could help you guys in some way today, or just keep company. So anyway, I'm going to go now, sending lots of love to you guys, and thank you again for all your support and your lovely messages in the last video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
It's electric.